Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to answer a comment on a very old video of mine, and to be specific, exactly this one from 3 years ago, on the topic of how to create icon menu with custom illustrations made in Procreate. So as you can see, we have menu here and events and about and a contact, and this represents like a menu of a website but replaced with icons. So the idea here is that when you hover on the icon, it changes its state to some slightly different version of the icon itself, and it will lead you potentially to the menu, events, about and contact. By the way, these icons are fully drawn by me in Procreate, and I really had lots of fun creating this concept of a website. So the idea here is that when you hover on the icon, it changes slightly and redirects you to the section of the website you want it to go. So let me show you how I did it. First of all, I created the icons in Procreate and imported them here in, this is Wix, old version of editor Wix, as an image, and you can see here how it looks like, the original state when it's not hovered. And when on hover, I just uploaded a different image with the same icon, just added effect. Like for example, this is like a tray that is, you keep your food warm and represents like a menu in terms of like dish menu, and the regular version has no steam and this one has a little bit of steam, and that's the whole trick. Like here the image, it has like a normal state where the calendar has only 1 day reserved, and on hover it is with a star, which means like it's a special already booked date. So that's how I change the different states of the images on regular and hover. Same goes for this image here. The smiley face in the regular, it's like a regular smiley face. On hover turns into a winky face. And once again, for the contact, we have like a regular phone, and on hover it's already ringing. So what you need to create is 4 images or illustrations / icons that you want to use for your menu, and then you need an alternative version of that same icon that when on hover will change its state to something else. If you cannot create those, you can probably use an icon pack or illustration pack, or you can commission an artist, even better, to do it for you and get your custom illustrations for your website. I hope this video was helpful and enjoyable for you. If you want a video about how to illustrate the icons or the illustrations themselves, you can leave a comment below what kind of illustrations or icons would you like to see, and I can probably draw them in one of these future videos, because I love drawing as well. And if you have any other questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below. And if you're looking for website template in Wix Studio, don't forget to check my template Jade Bijou, or in Webflow Fit Warrior. I will leave the links in the description below and in the comments sometimes. And if you need any help with UX design, no-code platforms like Wix Studio, Webflow or any other, you can definitely check out my services and book a discovery call, or maybe check my mentoring offer or landing page roast, whichever speaks to you. And if none of them actually help you out, make sure to fill out the form and request a service and tell me more about your needs, and we can get into the nitty-gritty in the discovery call. Thank you so much for watching once again and for the support to my channel. I would love to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and if you can help me with that, I would really appreciate it. If you have any suggestions or any advice on how to do that, make sure to leave it in the comments below. Hope you have an amazing rest of the week, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.